Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This afternoon we've got a mate's Renault Clio in on the dyno. We had a hand in building it a while ago. It's got an Audi TT engine fitted. Since then it's had a hybrid turbo and turbo smart actuator. So we're going to do some pulls on the dyno, set it up and see what it can do. Let's find out. What figures do you think it'll make? Put your answers in the comments. Don't be skimming to the end of the video, getting the figures, and then putting them in the comments. No one likes a smart ass. Let's all behave and play nicely. Horsepower! Big rubber, famous. Go on. Go. Well, that went well. After a few tweaks to the actuator, set that up right. We came out with it, with you can see behind me, 346 horsepower, 346.2 foot-pound of torque, which in a car that is super lightweight, it's full on track car spec. It runs on slicks. It's got a glass fibre bonnet, doors, boot lid. It must weigh below 800 kilos. That amount of power in that car, it's going to be a weapon. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, hit the like and subscribe at the bottom to keep in touch. It's time to go home. There's definitely a beer with my name on it somewhere. I'll see you later.